Have you ever felt intimidated by wine? Do you hesitate when choosing a bottle at the store? Don't worry, you're not alone. Wine can seem like a secret club, but I'm here to let you in on a little secret. It doesn't have to be that way. Understanding wine, even just a little, opens up a world of enjoyment. It's about appreciating flavors, aromas, and the stories each bottle holds. It's about enhancing meals and creating memories. Whether you're a complete novice or have dabbled in wine tasting, this guide will equip you with the basics. You'll learn how to taste, choose, and enjoy wine with confidence. No more staring blankly at a wine list or pretending to detect hints of oak and tobacco. Get ready to impress your friends and, most importantly, discover the joy of a perfectly paired sip. Let's uncork the world of wine together. Tasting wine isn't about chugging it down. It's about savoring the experience. It's about engaging your senses and unlocking the layers of flavor within each glass. First, observe the wine's color. Hold it up to the light and notice the hues and shades. Next, give it a swirl. This aerates the wine, releasing its aromas. Bring the glass to your nose and inhale deeply. What do you smell? Fruits, flowers, spices? Now, take a sip, but don't swallow immediately. Let the wine coat your palate, allowing your taste buds to detect the different flavors. Sweetness, acidity, bitterness. Notice the texture too. Is it smooth, velvety, or crisp? Finally, consider the finish. How long do the flavors linger after you swallow? This is the wine's lemon, and it speaks to its quality and complexity. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers when tasting wine. It's all about your personal experience. Don't let wine etiquette intimidate you. It's simpler than you think. First, how do you hold a wine glass? Hold it by the stem, not the bowl. This keeps your hand from warming the wine and affecting its taste. When someone pours you wine, don't feel obligated to fill your glass. A small pour is perfectly acceptable, allowing you to savor each sip without rushing. And speaking of sipping, avoid loud slurping sounds. Instead, aim for a gentle sip. If you're at a dinner party and unsure which wine to choose, don't be afraid to ask for recommendations. Your host or a fellow guest can guide you towards a wine that complements the meal. Lastly, remember that the most important rule of wine etiquette is to relax and enjoy yourself. Section 4. A Toast Through Time, a Wine History Primer. Wine has a rich and fascinating history, dating back thousands of years. Archaeological evidence suggests that winemaking originated in the Caucasus region, around 6000 BC. From there, it spread throughout the ancient world, becoming an integral part of life in ancient Egypt, Greece, and Rome. The Romans, in particular, were passionate about wine. They developed sophisticated viticulture and winemaking techniques, and their wines were enjoyed throughout the Roman Empire. During the Middle Ages, monasteries played a crucial role in preserving winemaking traditions. Monks cultivated vineyards and produced wine for sacramental purposes and their own consumption. The Renaissance saw a renewed interest in classical learning, including viticulture. New grape varieties were planted and winemaking techniques were refined. The Age of Exploration brought European wines to the New World, where they flourished in new climates and soils. Today, wine is produced in virtually every corner of the globe, from the rolling hills of France to the sunny vineyards of California. Each region boasts its own unique terroir, a combination of climate, soil, and tradition that shapes the character of its wines. Section 5. The Rainbow of Wine, from crimson to crystal. Wine comes in a dazzling array of colors, from the deepest reds to the palest yellows. Let's explore the primary categories: red, white, rosé, and sparkling. Red wines get their color from grape skins. White wines are typically made from green grapes. Rosé wines get their pink hue from limited skin contact. Sparkling wines, like champagne, prosecco, and cava, are known for their bubbles. Section 6. Old World versus New World. A tale of two vineyards. The world of wine is often divided into two categories: Old World and New World. This distinction refers not to the age of the wine itself, but to the winemaking traditions and styles of different regions. Old World wines, typically from Europe, are characterized by their elegance, balance, and sense of place, or terroir. Centuries of winemaking tradition have resulted in strict regulations and a focus on specific grape varieties and winemaking techniques. New World wines, on the other hand, hail from regions like the Americas, Australia, and New Zealand. These regions are known for their innovation, experimentation, and fruit-forward styles. New World winemakers are less bound by tradition, leading to a wider variety of grape varieties, blends, and winemaking approaches. While there are clear stylistic differences between Old World and New World wines, it's important to remember that these are generalizations. Many winemakers in both camps are pushing boundaries and blurring the lines between tradition and innovation. Wine